In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3216 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed to the Chrome, and here at the search bar, please type for Epson L3216 and hit the enter key on your keyboard, and that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under epson.com. Click on it, and eventually, in a while, you would be navigated to the page where you get to see the printer driver. Now from here, please click on this downloads, and eventually you would be able to refresh the page. Wait until you can see a drop down menu where you can manually select your operating system. Okay, so if it's detecting for Windows 11, then good. However, if not, then click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. And again, and then click on Go on, and that way you would be able to see a driver that is compatible or that is in accordance to your operating system. So from here, please navigate to the drivers, click on this plus icon, and then that way you would be able to see the printer driver and the scanner driver. So if you would like to download and install scanner driver, click on this download, and here you can see printer driver, click on this download. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open up a new tab where it asks you to agree on the license agreement before you can download it. Please proceed to accept, and in that way you would be able to start the downloading process for this file which contains the printer driver. So once the downloading process has been completed, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon, click on it, and eventually you would be able to see the exe file that you have just downloaded. Now click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now from here, please select on this one, make a right click, and you need to click on this cut icon. Once done, close all of the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so the moment you have successfully pasted or moved the file here, just have to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either you can make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract this file. So click on this WinRAR file and go with extract to. The moment you've clicked on it, it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until this would be done. Once a new file folder has been created, then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, please navigate here at the start, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate where the option which is called Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. The moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to bring up this kind of window. Please proceed with printers and scanners. The moment you click on it in this window, you will be able to see an option which is being highlighted into blue one, add device. Click on it, and eventually you just wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on it, and in a few moments you would be able to bring up this window. Please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, and here this part is very important because this is where we are going to choose the printer port. So click on this down arrow key and choose among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Once you've set it, click on Next, and you need to navigate to the Have Disk option and click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. And here you need to scroll down and proceed to the extracted file, double tapped, double tapped again, and you would be able to show or see a list of the option. Go with Open and click on OK. So from here to be placed here, go with Next and rename that into L3216. Then click on Next. And from here, it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once you're done, please click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3216 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.